So we're going to review the 3-motor HD vacuum. This is a 300 CFM vacuum with 150 inches of negative. We're going to be sucking graphite powder in. You'll notice here that the cyclone, it's got trace amounts of some dust in it, but there's no dust in the cyclone. So we're going to suck all the material directly into a 30-gallon cyclone. The residual is going to go into the dustpan of the filter, and the filter unit currently has very little dust in it. We're using a 2-inch hose with the 3-motor 240-volt vacuum. It does 300 CFM. This is a real fine graphite powder. You can see how fine it is. And we're going to introduce this slowly. And we're introducing it slowly just to show what it would be like when you're actually machining this graphite. You'd be introducing small amounts at a time. If I just stuck the hose down in here, it would actually suck this dustpan out in seconds. But we actually want to simulate what it would be like as the dust is coming off of here slowly. And again, this vacuum it's got more negative pressure than is required for graphite, but it's a good simulation to show you how efficient the cyclone is. Because this is ultra fine powder, smoke-like. And with this much negative pressure, the vacuum's going to want to take all that smoke-like dust and bring it right to the filter. But the cyclone is so efficient, the cyclone is going to stop a majority of the dust. So let that come to rest. Now the cyclone action is pushing the material down in the drum, so when we first open this up, there's going to be a considerable amount of smoke-like material that's going to try to get out, and you can see. So we're going to turn the vacuum back on just to try to clear that. And if you look down in the cyclone, you can actually see the amount of powder we just sucked up is all down into that cyclone. So you can see it on here, plus you can see it down in there. There's the cyclone. Now when you come over to the filter, we're going to shake the filter. And we're going to drop the pan. And you're going to notice that there's very little, if any, just trace amounts of ultrafine powder in here. So the cyclone is extremely efficient. Again, we ran this test using smoke-like powder with 150 inches of negative pressure. So that's more pressure than is normally going to be present on a job that's doing smoke-like extraction with this kind of dust. And you can see how efficient the cyclone is. So that's been a review of our 3-motor WS2320-HD vacuum with a 12-inch HEC cyclone.